Hey guys, what's going on? Nick's F80 here, back with another video, and well, we got the new wheels on and the car looks amazing. We got another mod today, and it's something I've been looking forward to for quite some time. I've been hearing that people go a bunch of different routes with the setups for an exhaust, and I just found a Facebook Marketplace listing that is a steal, and I'm gonna go pick it up right now. So I know there's snow on the ground, and in the next few videos it is not snow. I am recording this beforehand just to give everybody a straight heads up. But yeah, this is after, so I'm gonna include some clips, but let's get right into the video. Let's go, guys. So in this clip right here, we got the car up, and it's got the exhaust on, ready to be taken down. Let's take a look. All right, everybody, I appreciate you making it this far. These are just some clips from a nice spot I found on the way home from getting the exhaust installed. We got the sound clips coming up in a few seconds here. Just enjoy these nice clips, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I appreciate you.